The stress test results on the tibial component are positive.
Excellent. We can finalize the assembly on batch 7.
Okay, relax your forearm for me. We're just capturing the final contours now.
And this feeds directly into the model?
Yes, see how the wireframe is adjusting?
Calibration complete. Neural response patterns optimized. Sensitivity reading is stable. Validation successful.
Look at that synchronization. The AI has successfully mapped the impulse.
I can actually feel the grip strength.
Excellent.
The alignment looks good on this side.
What are the pressure readings showing?
Much better now. We need to adjust the dampening coefficient here.
That should smooth out the transition phase significantly.
The camera follows a prosthetic hand through advanced durability testing, where
Sophisticated control systems demonstrate adaptive responses to changing terrain, showcasing the advanced technology that enables users to regain confidence in their mobility. The integrated diagnostic port allows us to monitor battery health and sensor calibration without compromising the device's aesthetics. All systems are optimal.
Look, we have a clear pass on the EMI.
Excellent. That meets the new regulatory standards.
Perfect, the calibration is aligning. Now try to grip the cube gently.
Like this. It feels much more responsive now.
We track through an advanced packaging facility where prosthetic hands and legs are sealed in sterile, custom-molded cases. This protects these precision...
All right, try to close your fingers slowly. How does that feel?
It's incredible. I can feel the pressure.
I haven't walked like this in years.
Advanced neural networks analyze thousands of interactions, continuously refining prosthetic performance to match each user's unique lifestyle.
The balance feedback is well within parameters on the uneven surface.
He's navigating the gravel without compensation. The system is performing flawlessly. Environmental chambers subject silicone skin to extreme conditions, while colorimeters monitor for any fading or discoloration that could affect the prosthetic hand's lifelike appearance.
Look at the timing on the gastrocnemius spike. It's perfectly synchronized now.
I agree. The interface optimization is complete. Thank you so much. It feels incredible.
You're very welcome. We're thrilled with the results.
The dexterity is remarkable. It uses a combination of advanced sensors and machine learning to achieve this level of control.